Hello there, we're Hubei Wanli Protective Products Company Limited. Since 2006, we have been focusing on innovating, testing, manufacturing, and trading PPE and non-woven fabrics. We house 800 colleagues on 6 clean rooms of ISO Class 8 and production lines for triple spunbond, non-woven, and microporous film. Our flagship PPE brand Xianwanli are sold in 80 countries. We have 20 years OEM experience with international leading brands. Our products are popular in industries such as construction, petrochemical, mining, metal processing, agriculture, healthcare, and infection control. Our portfolio is professional, diverse, and customizable. There are FFP2, 3 respirators, medical masks, type 3, 4, 5, 6 protective coveralls, AAMI plus 1, 2, 3, 4 isolation gowns, surgical gowns, and chemotherapy gowns, triple spunbond, non-woven, microporous film, and melt-blown filter. We own innovation and testing laboratory for consistent and technical innovation and quality assurance. Our lab has applied for CNAS accreditation. The testing service covers qualification standards of a wide range of textile and PPE products. These tests are filtration efficiency, blood penetration, hydrostatic pressure, microbial cleanliness, etc. Our quality system is ensured by ISO 13485 and 9001, and human rights system is certified by BSCI and Sedex. We, Hubei Wanli Protective Products Company, aim to supply valuable, quality, and innovative PPE solutions for human society. Thank you for watching.